everyone, welcome to my channel. I am back with another DIY fall home decor video, and this time I thought to bring nature indoors to extend the enjoyment of this beautiful and colorful season. So I went out and gathered few fallen branches and twigs from the trees. Then on a thick white sheet of paper, I started drawing some fall leaf outlines. You can also look up or Google some pictures of leaf drawings for reference. Next, I cut them out and paint them. For painting the leaves, I used all the lovely fall colors like red, maroon, yellow, and especially orange. Then I use the leftover paint on the branches. If you want, you can skip this step. Next, I filled up a jar with some rocks and pebbles I picked up from the park and arranged the branches in it. Once the paint dried off, I grabbed few pens and markers and decorated the leaves with different patterns. You can also write quotes or things you like and want to remember about fall. Next, with the help of a glue gun, I attached the leaves on the branches. I also added few white pom-poms here and there as snowballs. And here you have a fabulous fall decor with natural elements. You can keep it on your windowsill or use it as a centerpiece on your dining table. Hope you all liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe if you haven't. I'll come back next week. Till then, bye bye. Stay creative.